1 parrot, 2 balls, 3 monkeys, 4 balloons, 5 ducks, 6 cats, 7 books, 8 eggs, 9 pencils, 10 bees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's learn counting in words.
O-N-E 1, T-W-O 2, T-H-R-E-E 3, F-O-U-R 4, F-I-V-E 5, S-I-X 6, S-E-V-E-N 7, 8, E-I-G-H-T 8, 9, N-I-N-E 9, 10, T-E-N 10. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.